Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man here. Sunday afternoon, evening. We're going to call it evening, 7 o'clock here. Cheryl and I are out in the garage. We are working on the side panels. We already did one today. This will be number 2 for today, but let me show you what it takes to put one of these together. So you guys watched me put all of the side panel itself together. So once you have the side panel built and everything's done, today what I did was I mounted all this stainless steel hardware. These ones, of course, that you can see the nut on here are for the mounting of the panel itself to the side of the boat. And the ones that don't have the nuts on them right now are what's holding the stripes on. So everything gets covered here. It'll get foam, which is all over there right now. And then after the foam, we've been putting some 1/4-inch foam with scrim on the back of it on. And then over that, of course, is the material. So stick around here for a little bit and you guys can watch us do it. So this is what it looks like after you put that little 1/4-inch scrim on it. And the reason I'm putting the 1/4-inch scrim on is because we're using the old foam over. And that 1/4-inch with the scrim on it kind of gives you a new foam profile. It's nice and firm now. It's not real, it's stronger than it was, I think. It looks a little better. So we're giving it a shot. I think it's not going to hurt anything, that's for sure. Make it look better. You can tell I'm getting a little better on the corners now. Here in the corners and up here, trying to get around these corners is an absolute nightmare, but we're getting better at it.
seat, right?
Jack!
Rona didn't have side panels. Rona's side panels were ripped off, remember?
Come on, Jack, let's go! Let's go get some treats. Let's go get some peanut butter. Come on.
Now they get,
I don't
what's
know.
it called?
Carpet on the back.
Yeah. Beating all the way down. She took it in over there. Where's the section? Say hi, Cheryl. All right, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Hey, we're all done here. I don't know what I'm going to do with that video yet, whether or not we'll probably do some time lapse and some real time, you know, the way I do that. So just give you guys a close up of what we got done here. This is actually the left-hand side, which is the passenger side of a boat. And really happy with this one. It came out a little nicer than the right-hand side because obviously it was the second one. And, you know, law of averages, the second one always ends up better. So as you can look at this, you can see how nice and puffy the that scrim foam actually comes in and makes everything. I was able to get the corners of this really nice to where there's no rips on this one. The other one has one little rip right in the area here, but this one came out really nice. So all we have now to do is this gets all the way around the edges here. It'll get the cording, and that'll be it for the corners, or for the side panels. So thanks for watching, everybody, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. Talk to y'all later. Mongo Man is out.